Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. So today's going to be part 2 of the tassel tutorial. If you haven't seen part 1, you'll want to watch it because this kind of picks up where that one left off. So in the last video, I made a very basic tassel. I went through all the steps of what you would do to make one of these cute little tassels that you can dangle from your jewelry, your charms, your craft projects, etc. Now what we're going to do in this video is we're going to make these a little bit fancier. So these are great. I love the just plain cute little tassel, but I also like to decorate them sometimes and make them sparkly. So I'm going to show you how to get gold and another color. I'm also going to show you how to just get a really cute band at the top, how to close it with a cute band. I'm going to show you how to do multiple colors at one time. And then I'm going to show you a couple of other things to make them a little bit more fancy. So the first thing is, let's start off with making a multicolored one. So in the last video, you'll remember that what I do is I take a fork and I wrap a single color around the fork 12 times. Well, when you're doing multiple colors, you have to multiply in order to get 12. So what I mean by that is, let's say that we want to do 3 colors. So what plus what equals 12? 3 times 4 equals 12. So instead of wrapping this 12 times, we're going to wrap it 4 times. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. And you're going to do the same thing that you did last time. You're just going to take it off, you're going to put your jump ring in it, and you're going to cut it, and you're going to be good to go. All right, now I'm going to show you how to make one with just a single color with some really pretty gold threads. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our handy dandy Hobby Lobby gold thread with the sequins on it, and we're going to just pair it together with a single color. Now, because this thread is so thin, you would think I would go 6 times on it because 2 times 6 is 12, but because it's so thin, I don't even count this. So I'm still gonna go 12 times on this. So I'll show you. So I would go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you would just cut it, go about your business, put your jump ring in, all that good stuff. So that's how you would get that color. And then the next thing that you can do, let me move this out of the way, is at the end when you're tying your color on, or tying the string on to hold everything together, instead of doing the same color as you did with the tassel part, what I do is I use the Hobby Lobby thread and I just make it really pretty with just gold. That's it. So this is all white, and then I just tied it off with the gold thread. So I'm going to show you 2 more things. Another way that you can make it fancy is you can put some really pretty chain on it. So in this one, I'm going to link everything for you below, by the way. Or everything that I can possibly link for you below, like this. I'm going to link this for you. But basically what you would do is you would just glue this around using your favorite glue. I hot glued mine, but you could glue it once, you could glue it twice. It's totally up to you. And that's it. And this cuts really easily, which I will show you with my nippers. And I'll link these nippers below. So you're just going to come in, and these have little grooves in them. So you're just going to go between the grooves and you're going to cut a piece off, and that's it. And then you're just going to wrap it around. I might have, oh no, I didn't do this one too short. You're just going to hot glue it on there. And look, you've got a really pretty accent for your tassel. And then finally, what I like to do, which is just really basic, is I like to just put a little bit of hot glue on, and just a cute little gemmy. So you can also do that, just put a little gem on there. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I hope this gave you some ideas. I hope that you will share this video and share the other video. Tag me if you make these, like tag me on Instagram so I can see pictures, or if you make a YouTube video, I hope you'll mention my channel. And also I would love it if you would comment either on the first channel or this channel to tell me that you've made a video. Just so I can make sure that I can come see it, because I don't get to watch everybody's videos. And man, I wish I had more hours in the day, don't you? So I could watch everybody's videos. So anyway, just wanted to share that. Had a lot of fun making these videos for you. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.